Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are talking about self-myofascial release. Welcome to those who are new. My name is Josie, and session today is foam rolling. Some of the benefits: it relaxes your muscles, it increases your range of motions, and it also eases muscle pain. This will be good after your workout, and it also is good on your rest days. Like what I'm doing today, I'm not doing any workout. I'm just being at home and working on recovering these muscles. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start from our calf, and we're gonna start from the bottom part of your leg to the middle part. So not the whole leg, not the whole calf, just from the bottom to the half of your calf. You're gonna do that first. And then after this, you're gonna go from your knee side to the middle of your calf. So that's the upper part of your leg, of your calf, I mean. So you go from up, we swap to the next leg. So what you shouldn't do is do two legs at a time. No, let's do one leg at a time. So we swap on to the next one, and next one will be your quads. So with the quad, same thing. You go from the bottom of your quad to the middle first, and then from the middle to the upper portion of your quad, or obviously from the top to the middle. So you're focusing one on each section of your muscle. So whenever you do it from lower section and the upper section separately. So yeah. Start from the bottom to the middle. The glutes, your butt. Shake up. The same thing. You should never do like the whole butt at once. Okay, you should always do one butt jigs, one butt jigs at a time. Okay, so we're gonna do the left side first. You can do it like this, or there's another way you can do it like this. So, but today we're going to do it this way. This is how I was taught at my course, MiFit Pro. They're pretty good. Especially when you have really tight muscles and sore muscles, this helps release the tension and lengthen your muscles. Oh my god, it feels good. Okay, I think that's too long. Okay, and then we swap. Up and down. Ooh, feels good. This is from rugby, I think. I'm always bruising, as you can see. The legs, knees. Ow. So this one, you're going to do from the mid section of your back to the upper section and the lower portion. Upper side and lower side. Back, you can do either from the middle to the lower side of your back. So let's start from the middle and we go down. But it feels good. I don't know. If someone is saying this and I'm doing it wrong, please let me know. Ow. It hurts. Okay. And that is it. Those are some tips and benefits of the Self-Myofascial release or the foam roller. Get yourself one. These are pretty good and cheap on Amazon. I'm not actually promoting it, but it is good. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe and like this video, and if you want any more tips, please let me know, and if you know more than I do, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.